Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a video. I'm always playing with these boats. Um, these few here, or just whatever. Please mind the mess of my storage room, junk room slash hobby room. But I love all these boats. Depending on what I'm taking out, what I'm building, what I'm working on. One thing in common that I always have with me that I haven't really discussed, but y'all have seen it before, is the star of the show, the rescue boat. Now, a lot of the stuff that I get to go do would be so much more difficult without this thing when I mess up. It has been such a lifesaver so many times. So I have people ask questions about it and how I built it. And so I just wanted to make a video and show what it's about. So it's PVC, half-inch PVC framework and pool noodle that just split, wrapped around it, zip tie everything up. It's mostly Amazon parts. It was pretty cheap to make. I think I have maybe $200 in it, but I'm not real sure how to link stuff. I'm too stupid for that. But I can put pictures up of what I ordered off Amazon. But it's like a 1100 kV outrunner motor. I think this is a 11-inch master air screw propeller. It's a 20 kg servo, but it comes with these mounts for a robotic arm. So you just kind of figure a way to put it on PVC. I just used a big screw in the center here to hard mount it, and then just some zip ties to hold it in place. And so it articulates and turns your fan for your direction, and it works fantastic. So plenty of power. It's just a cheap, I think 50 amp Marine ESC that I put in here, and then Dumbo radio, and I run it on a 3S pack. I would just get a 3S hard pack, set her in there, plug her in, and she's good to go. This is just a waterproof enclosure I got from Walmart. I used to carry in my kayak. I'm pretty sure they still sell them. They're cheap. So it's just half-inch 45s. And then under here is half-inch tees and just sections of PVC pipe. Maybe a 45 here and 45 up. And the catch bar that actually catches the boat and pushes it in. So it works good. It runs about the speed of a brisk walk, like you were walking out to get your boat. I only run it at 25 or 30% power because if you turn it up, it can't shed the water under or over this low bar here, so it drags it down and it starts trying to push the nose of the boat under. Some people have some better designs, some that are faster, but this is what works for me. So throughout the video, I'm going to put some pictures up. There's a Facebook group that I originally got the idea from. I'll post it in a picture in the video. It's a DIY air rescue boat. Wonderful group. Can give you any idea of size and measurements and all that good stuff. Plenty of ideas on that Facebook group. So when I originally built this one, I built it big enough to capture my Blackjack 42 as far as the width and the length, and it's worked perfect for everything. So anyway, that's about it. I know there's questions and I don't have the answers sometimes because I forget, so I really just wanted to go through and just make a quick video of how this thing operates. Show you how it runs and operates. Like I said, I have the trim turned way down low, 25 or 30% power, about 50% steering, so it doesn't turn too far on itself. But said, it runs great. One of the big things why I went this route instead of using, just a small RC boat with a push bar on the front, or the tugboat is really nice from Horizon Hobby. It's about $400 and it turns a lot better, but it's the turning radius. The turning radius on most of these RC boats is not very tight. It's 6 foot to make a full turn, or like the Sonic Wake. I mean, you can't turn that thing around in 15 or 20 foot. And so if you're going to capture your boat and you misjudge it by just a few inches from 40 yards away where it wrecked, it gets to be a little difficult. There's times I've taken this thing out, 80, 90, 100 yards to capture a boat, and it's hard to tell where you're located on that boat and even capture it with this, which will turn pretty much on the dime. So that's the reason that I went with the airboat. And it was fun to build, and it's cost effective, and it works great. So anyway, now I'll let you go.